Today we're diving into some of the best features you can use for YouTube Shorts. These tools are designed to take your content to the next level and boost engagement. Let's get started. First up, we have the Collab feature. This game changer lets you team up with other YouTube Shorts creators in a side-by-side format, much like the duet feature over on TikTok. You can choose from a variety of layouts and seamlessly join videos with a split screen. Just tap Remix and Collab to create magic together. Make the most of stickers on YouTube Shorts to increase engagement. You can directly engage with your audience by asking them questions and getting responses right within your comment section with the Q&A sticker. And here's the fun part, you can even respond to questions with a YouTube Shorts video. You can even go live on Shorts. Engage with your audience using features like Super Chat, Super Stickers, and channel memberships. It's a fantastic way to connect with your community in real time. With the Suggestions feature, you can effortlessly remix a short from an audio and effect bundle you stumble upon in your feed. It's like a creativity booster at your fingertips. Managing your Shorts content just got easier. You can save Shorts playlists directly to YouTube and curate your favorite Shorts videos straight from the Shorts feed. It's all about organization and easy access. Some playlists you could create are things like an inspiration playlist. This is like your creative mood board, where you gather Shorts that inspire you or provide ideas for future content. Or a tips and tutorials playlist. This is gold. It can be your treasure trove of tutorials, tips, and hacky content that you find. Let's say you scroll upon an amazing tutorial that you'd love to use in your own content later on. Just pop it into this playlist and you'll have it at your fingertips when you need it. With these incredible Shorts features, the possibilities are endless for businesses, brands, and content creators. You can create captivating Shorts, engage your audience with Q&A stickers, and reach an even larger audience. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating.